away, Barney, letting somebody else chat you up.
Aw, you're so cute. Like little head scratches.
Hello, Barney.
Hi.
Hello, Barney.
So in love with this thing.
Hello, Barney. Hello.
So I don't think you want him to hop on.
I just don't want him to bite my ear. I've had to do that.
That's definitely what he would do.
Hello, Barney.
Yes, you would. Like, does he say a lot?
Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney. I'm hello, Adam.
Hello, Barney.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, are we best friends now? Oh my goodness. This is so cool. You are amazing. It's really nice to meet you.
Hello, Barney.
You too, sir.
Hello, Barney. Hello, Barney. Hello, Barney.
Hey, where are you going?
Hello, Barney.